Abakiise mu kikolwa olukulu baagala okubaganya ebirowoozo ku ngeri akalulu k'eggwanga erya Kenya gye kaatambuddemu. Bano bagamba nti kino kijja kuyamba Uganda okwekuba mu ttooki ku ngeri gye yakwasaganyizaamu ensonga zaayo ez'okulonda. Wabula ensonga eno omumyuka w'omukulembeze w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu Thomas Tayebwa agaanye okukkiriziganya nayo, naye n'asuubiza nga bwe bajja okwebuuza okulaba ekyokukola.
Officers, we are going to look at it because we have to consult whether we should be able to discuss issues of another country beyond congratulations and all that. You have to be very, very cautious. Sometimes the language goes beyond the limits of diplomacy. We might end up doing more harm than good.
Ono mu kusooka asoose kuyozaayoza eggwanga erya Kenya okufuna omukulembeze omuggya, naye n'awabula abatakkiriziganya na byavudde mu kulonda okukozesa omukisa ogw'amateeka.
The Right Honourable Speaker, and on your behalf, congratulate the people of Kenya upon a successful election, and also congratulate His Excellency William Ruto, President-elect, upon being elected as the President, first President of the Republic of Kenya. Our prayer is that anyone who is not satisfied with the outcome of the election would indeed follow the legal process so that we can have peace in the region, because what happens with our neighbors has a very, very big impact on us. So we pray that the whole process concludes very, very peacefully.
Abakiise abatali bamu balaze nga okulonda kw'eggwanga erya Kenya bwe muli ebyokuyiga ebingi omuli eddembe ly'obuntu n'ebirala ebigwa mu kkowe eryo.
The public portal, and indeed the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission in Kenya has demonstrated by word and deed that they are indeed independent, because they channeled all the results from 34A, that is polling stations, to a public portal, unlike in the neighboring countries, including ours.
The institutions that caught my eye during the Kenya elections, Right Honourable Speaker, were the key institutions, especially the army. Despite the fact that the army was deployed, Right Honourable Speaker, on the streets, they were not kidnapping the people. They were not doing things that we witnessed here, Right Honourable Speaker. When you look at other institutions, the police and everyone, you looked at every institution was working for the people of Kenya.
Wabula Tayebwa naye akkiriziganyiza n'ababaka ng'okulonda kuno bwe kwabaddemu ebyokuyiga bingi.
The laws being implemented in each country are passed by their parliaments. We are here, we are the ones who make the laws. So if there is something you appreciated, the task will be for you to incorporate it. But it takes two to tango, you know, it takes two to tango. So its lessons for all of us, not only for those who are tear gassed, but also the tear gassers, if that's what it means. So both of us must learn from the process, and of course, it was a process which every one of us would appreciate.
Olunaku olwajjo Wafula Chebukati, ssentebe w'akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda k'eggwanga erya Kenya, yalangidde omuwanguzi mu kalulu k'eggwanga eryo, era nga William Samoei Ruto ye yawangudde ku bantu abana ababadde mu lwokaano. Ono yafunye obululu ebitundu 5 n'obutundu 49 ku buli 100. Ekisigalidde alindiridde kulayira. Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Olegolo.